Hi guys. Welcome to another new episode. I have a dear person who sings regularly. One day I was talking to him and listening to music, but it was difficult to hear because the sound of the mobile was very low. I said, "Is there no sound system?" He said, "Yes, but it has not been working for a long time." Then I brought it to fix it. Bluetooth sound systems do not work for various reasons. Today I will present what the problem is and its solution while fixing it. Hopefully you will watch the entire video without skipping. I will try to charge the sound system with a mobile charger. It is in charge mode. I put it in charge mode and put the switch button in the on position. But it did not turn on. I opened the charger pin and put the switch button in the on position. But still it did not turn on. The sound system has to be opened completely. The screws of the various systems are hidden. I opened the soft rubber pad of its base and saw that there are fixing screws here. I opened all the screws. I opened the inside of the sound system. Inside is a 3.7 volt rechargeable lithium battery and Bluetooth module and 2 speakers for stereo sound. I will open the board screws to open the Bluetooth module. The speaker and battery connection in the system is provided through jumper sockets. Below is the main Bluetooth module. The module is made with a 10+10 or 15+15 watt power amplifier on the board, which is great. I connected everything while open. I opened the battery. The battery power is being checked. After checking the battery, it shows 4 volts when fully charged. Since the battery power is fine, I put the switch button in the on position while the module is open. But it is not responding in any way. I shorted the switch with a metal forceps. Wow, great! It turned on. So we can identify the main problem. So a good switch can be replaced in the module. But I will try to fix this. First, I solder all the pins of the switch well. I kept turning it on and off repeatedly with a little kerosene oil on the switch. This will clean the rust stuck on the connectors of the switch. Now I put the switch button in the on position. The module is now indicating the blue LED, which means the sound system is on. So the sound system is now ready to provide sound.
Bluetooth mode.
Now I am trying to rewind everything and stick it. The Bluetooth sound system is now moved to the marquee built-in position. Now I turned on the sound system again and checked it.
Bluetooth mode.
Wow! It is now completely ready. How the video is and how to make it better, you can write your opinion in the comments section.
Bluetooth mode.
I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to press like button and share to your friends. Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel and presses the bell button to get the next video.